Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here and you've never seen my face before, my name is Cassie. Gummy worms.
Yeah, you said I could have 5.
You already opened the bag. Did you already have some?
No, somebody else did.
For today's video, I'm bringing you guys another synthetic wig review. This is Davy by OUTRE, and the color that I have it in is a color number 2. We're going to go ahead and get right on into the styling portion of today's video before I give you guys my full thoughts and opinions. But before we go ahead and do that, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, hit that button down below, turn on the bell so you never miss an upload from me, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you are here for the no makeup wig slay. I feel like whenever I post a video where I'm installing a wig and I don't have any makeup on, I get a lot of people in the comments appreciating this type of content. I don't wear makeup in my everyday life. Really, I only wear makeup when I'm sitting down to film YouTube videos, but every once in a while I put on a wig and I'm like, you know what? This looks good. I ain't gonna put on my makeup. So yeah, if you are somebody who likes wearing wigs and you want to see what they look like on somebody with no makeup on, be sure to subscribe because I will definitely be doing more of this content for you guys. So yeah, enough rambling. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. Once I applied this wig, I was immediately in love with this style, and I felt like it gave a very effortless, woke up like this type of vibe. So I was like, you know what? My skin is looking good. I mean, I still have hyperpigmentation, don't play. My skin is looking good, I'm glowing, so I ain't gonna put makeup on. But let's go ahead and get into the pros and cons about this unit. Like I mentioned, this is OUTRE's Davy in a color number 2. The claims that it comes with says that it's supposed to have HD transparent lace, heat safe up to 400 degrees, and natural baby hairs. And as you guys saw in the styling portion of this video, it is very easy and beginner friendly, which is something that I really love, especially when you're trying to just throw on a wig, walk out the door, and still look cute. About a week or so ago, I posted a video reviewing OUTRE's Julissa and Lena, a part of the Wet n Wavy collection. And I purchased this wig at the same time because I thought that this was a Wet n Wavy wig as well, but it's not. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna dedicate a video solely to Miss Davy, and I'm really glad I did. This wig is a blunt cut. It is slightly asymmetrical, but I don't mind it because it's not super drastic. I don't like when it comes straight down, you know, like a little bit too far. If y'all are not new to my channel, I really love that effortless, sexy vibe that like I woke up like this, but I didn't type of look, and this is very much giving that vibe to me, and I'm really here for it. As soon as I put the wig on, I was really surprised at how comfortable this fit on my head. I was a little shocked because I was like, you know what? I was not expecting it to be this big head friendly. Love that about that. If you are a big head girl like myself, you're going to really feel comfortable with this wig. I really don't have any cons when it comes to this wig. It's not shedding, it's not tangling. However, I haven't like run my fingers through it just because I don't want to disrupt the curls, and normally when I wear a curly synthetic wig, I like to kind of brush it out if it's not super tight, you know what I'm saying? But I really liked the way that this looked straight out the box, like, and that never happens for me. Normally I am brushing through my units and stuff like that, but this one I just chose not to. This is a silky textured unit, which doesn't bother me because I like this wig so much. So the silky texture is not giving me any issues. I don't have a whole lot of shine or anything like that. It feels really soft, doesn't feel like doll hair, and I don't mind that it's not super textured. As far as the pros go, I really do love the length. It is perfect for the upcoming spring and summer season. Love this style. Again, like, I feel like I just can't mention it enough. Like, this is a wig I would wear to the beach. I mean, I don't really wear wigs to the beach like that because it is way too hot down here in Florida. Maybe if you're somewhere where the weather is a little bit cooler and you're not like on the Gulf like I am, you're more on the ocean side where you get that really cool breeze, maybe this is something that you would want to pull out, but I feel like she's giving me like beachy vibes, and I love that. There's really not much else to say with this unit. I love when I put a wig on and I'm just really feeling myself, even without any makeup on. Like, I feel like that's a really big thing for me. That tells me that I really do love this wig. So if y'all want to see how I was feeling myself, I did a reel on Instagram. Make sure you go ahead and follow me over there so you guys can see. They get the behind the scenes, you know, updates and stuff like that. I also am vlogging this weekend, so if you want to see how this wig wears throughout the day after running errands and things like that, be sure to check out the vlog. I don't know which video will be up first. I will link it up here if it is already posted. If not, be on the lookout. Turn on the bell so you never miss an upload from me. That's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will be very, very soon.